Example number 8, we want to solve for the system and we will get false statement and there will be the inconsistent system. Remember that in equation number 2, we need to eliminate the x. We need to eliminate x for equation number 3 also. And then for number 3, we will eliminate the y. In this case, we have x1, x2, x3 instead of x, y, z. And that will be the same process, okay? Okay, so I will show the work on the right hand side and write down the result in the left side. Now, we always keep the first one. And then remember that we want to eliminate this x and this x, right? x1 and x1 in the second and the third. We will use the first one to do that. So we have 2 right here, so we need to multiply by -2 for the first equation. So if I multiply by -2 for the first equation, I will get -2x1 plus 6x2 minus 2x3 equal -2. And then I write down equation number 2 again. Then I will add them up. I will eliminate the x1, so I get 5x2 minus 4x3 equals 0. Okay, so we will write down in the second line, x2 minus 4x3 equal to 0. And then we want to eliminate this x. We will use the first equation. What all we need to do is we just multiply by -1 for the first equation, and then we add them up. So -1 for the first equation, and then add equation number 3. The first equation will become -1x1 plus 3x2 minus x3 equal -1. Equation number 3 we copy again. And then we add them up. So we will eliminate x1 and x2 we get 5 minus 4x3 equal -2. 5x2 minus 4x3 equal -2. Okay, then our next step is we will eliminate x2 right here. We will use the second equation. The second equation, this and this. We will use this, okay? These two new. We will multiply by -1 for the second equation and add the third, okay? So multiply -1 to this part right here. We will multiply by -1. So -1. Let's name this one is 4 and 5, okay? So multiply by -1 for the 4 equation and add the 5. It will become -5x2 plus 4x3 equals 0. Copy number 5 again. And then add them up. So what happened is we got 0 on the left hand side, the right hand side is -2. Okay, so what happened is, let's keep writing down again the system. And then the last one, after you do some operation for 4 and 5, you got 0 equal -2. This is false. Remember that when you have a false statement, you will conclude that the system has no solution. That means that this is the equation of the plane, right? So that means that 3 planes does not have any point in common.